Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. Today, we will discuss important MCQs of geography. So, the first question is the seasonal reversal of winds is the typical characteristic of option A, equatorial climate, option B, Mediterranean climate, option C, monsoon climate, option D, all of the above climates. So, you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option number C, monsoon climate. So monsoon is the only climate which is having reversal of winds between seasons. So you should know about what is equatorial climate, what are the characteristics of Mediterranean climate, and what do you mean by monsoon climates, and what are the difference between these climates. So you should read all about these from standard sources. So that is all about question number first. So now let us discuss question number second. Consider the following statements. First, coal ash contains arsenic, lead, and mercury. Second, coal fired power plants release sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen into the environment. Third, high ash content is observed in Indian coal. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So, you can pause this video and you can write the answer in the comment section below. So, the answer of this question is option D, 1, 2 and 3. So, excessive burning of coal, wood, kerosene, petrol, etc. release toxic gases such as sulfur dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, carbon monoxide, and hydrocarbons in the air. So, these gases are also emitted by industries, power plants, automobiles, and aircrafts. So, statement number second is correct. And coal ash contains contaminants like mercury, cadmium, and arsenic. So statement number first is also correct. So answer is option number D, 1, 2 and 3. So this was a question that was asked in 2020 prelims examination. So prior to 2020, UPSC has already asked some questions on coal, Indian coal. So you should read more about Indian coal and the characteristics of Indian coal from internet. So now let us discuss question number 3. Which of the following statements regarding laterite soils of India are correct? Statement number 1, they are generally red in color. Second, they are rich in nitrogen and potash. Third, they are well developed in Rajasthan and UP. Fourth, tapioca and cashew nuts grow well on these soils. So select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A, 1, 2 and 3. Option B, 2, 3 and 4. Option C, 1 and 4. Option D, 2 and 3 only. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number C, 1 and 4. So laterite soil is rusty red in color due to iron oxide present in it. In the laterite soil, cashew and tapioca can be grown. So soils are extremely important topic from UPSC Prelims exam point of view, so you should know about types of soil like red soil, black soil, alluvial soil. So in 2021 prelims examination, UPSC asked question on soil. So you should cover this topic holistically from NCERTs and standard sources. So now let us discuss question number 4. With reference to the wetlands of India, consider the following statements. First, the country's total geographical area under the category of wetlands is recorded more in Gujarat as compared to other states. Second, in India, the total geographical area of coastal wetlands is larger than that of inland wetlands. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. C, both 1 and 2. D, neither 1 nor 2. So you can pause this video and you can write the answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option A, 1 only. So the country's total geographical area under the category of wetlands is more in Gujarat as compared to other states. So India has 60% of inland wetlands out of total wetlands. So this topic of wetland is extremely important. So topics like wetland and mangroves. So this is very important. So you should also know about mangroves. So in which area mangroves are generally found, and which is the most popular area in India which is known for mangroves. And you should know about wetlands also. You should also know about India State of Forest report. You should also see that uh, I mean report about wetland in India State of Forest report. So that was all about question number 4. So you should read more about wetlands because it has already asked in mains and prelims examination. It is also important from mains perspective. So you should read holistically about wetlands. So now let us discuss question number 5. Consider the following statements. First, the duration of the monsoon decreases from southern India to northern India. Second, the amount of annual rainfall in the northern plains of India decreases from east to west. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number C, both 1 and 2. So both statements are correct. The amount of rainfall decreases from east to west owing to the progressive decrease in humidity of the winds. In southern part of India, being near to sea, gets rainfall early and for a longer duration than in northern part. So monsoon is also very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So you should know the topics in monsoon. So this can also come in upcoming prelims examination. So this was all about today's video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.